Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at this Gundam Artifact Nightingale. This is the second Gundam Artifact kit I've ever built, and it is so fun and addicted. I really love these mini kits because they are so cute. All Gundam Artifact kits come in one molding color. You either get the yellow one or the clear special color. But I guess it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna paint them anyway. From my past experience with the High New Gundam, I think it's better for me to do a straight build before I paint anything. Some parts just require more pressures to snap in, and you'll have to fill out some gaps with putty if you want it to look better. Building this kit can be quite challenging, and they don't snap in like regular Gundam. You have to glue and fix the seams. I know it sounds crazy, but this is actually one of the best parts, and what I love about Gundam Artifact series. I've airbrushed the base red color with Mr. Color number 68 and added a matte coating, then hand painted the smaller details. I couldn't find any artifact water slides at home, but I've got this RG Gold Sasabi water decals that can still work. Simp always make the best quality water decals, and they don't peel off easily like many others. You can find the water slides from many hobby stores and their website that I have posted in my description below. Unlike most other Gundam models, the Artifact series have virtually no articulations. The yellow single-tone color really makes them look like resin garage kit, but once you paint them, they look a lot better than the SD scale. So what's your thoughts on this mini Nightingale? Do you like the SD size or this non-articulated one? Hope you liked my video today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you next time!